Hello, Mama. We got food. We have food. We went to... we just bought it. We picked it up and then we picked you up. So, manood tayong movie mamaya, watching movie.
May trabaho. Ayun na lang. I have work tomorrow.
Sige. We're watching Jupiter Ascending. So it's at 7.
Si Jam kumain na.
Yup, McDonald's. Although it would have been perfect to say Tuesday or Tuesday clear.
Walang pasok si Jam.
Walang sumagot eh. Ilang beses akong tumawag eh. Should we go this way? Why did I go this way? Huh? I made a mistake. Di, snow lang to. Merong part sa ano na nagiging nagsusolidify ka. Hindi makashake yung...
Bango naman ang pinili niya.
Yeah, America din.
Binto.
Madaming miso soup. Tapos bumili ako ng ramen. Ramen.
Meron akong, may udong soup ako, di ba?
Ramen soup, Korean soup, yeah.
Ako, meron akong udong soup, di ba?
Ikaw, may udon soup, tapos may chicken bento, tsaka may beef bento.
Okay.
Ano kayo? Hindi kayo Chinese.
Which way?
Yeah, sa wasabi.
We got a class here. Yeah.
Yeah, pinili ka namin.
Wasabi doon sa may gasoline.
Yeah.
Di ba
Mahal, but that is worth it.
Hi, I'm Mike Mario, owner of Regina Auto Body, and I look forward to meeting you and your vehicle.
Yes, we paid for it.
Crashed through the window in their new state-of-the-art facility, freshly expanded on Fast Drive Lane. Regina Auto Body got
Hindi kita snap ako ng bayad.
Is that customer still out there? Which customer? The lowest aggressive is
Wala na akong pera.
really?
Out of job na ako.
Way,
Someone's
mom.
hygiene is halitosis. She was getting rid of my grill. It's fine. Pat, you can't talk about our customers like that. And then she tried to look my face. Oh, the humanity. Are you talking about that cute little Cocker Spaniel? There's nothing cute or little about that Cocker Spaniel breath. Now, it's Pet Dental Health Month. She probably brought her owner in.
In-order namin, tapos pinakain si James ng nuggets,
mouthwash,
fries, tsaka drink.
and 47-ounce greenies are on sale for
Yeah.
$29.99. Good. My leather was starting to crack. Now, get
Ba talaga itong ano doy? Blizzak. Siguro 4 years lang ito tatagal.
maybe that
Alin?
wasn't the dog.
Ang gulong na to, Blizzak. Magbibili ka next time. Diba yung sa'yo maganda rin yung winter tire mo eh. Kasi hindi naman yun study tire, no? Yung sa akin ang pangit yung duluma. So gagamitin ko yun pagdating ng spring. Pag wala ng snow yun ang gagamitin ko.
So do you think that's actually a
House?
house or a facility?
I don't know. Looks like an office or...
If it's a house, it looks like a friggin' therapeutic place. On therapy. Yeah, pero it doesn't fit the houses around it. So it's a misfit. Oh, cute. Siguro pumunta sila ng creek. Ayan, nagsisled.
Hindi naman nakatubuganin si Sander kasi nga winter storm eh. Start na lang.
Para lang lumakad dyan, kailangan mo ng snowshoes.
An encore broadcast of the week's best moments featuring Joe Slinger and Dave Arnold.
O, baka bukas ma. All day. Walang pasok at saka wala din volleyball. Hindi, bukas. Pinakancel ko kasi akala ko lalabas si Daddy bukas pero pasok pala.
Ano bang pasok ko bukas na?
Yeah, wala. May volleyball lang ako pero I already found a sub.
At least si Jem may kasama. So, pag hinatid mo si Jem, pinapasok mo pa siya, sasamahan mo pa siya sa loob ng sports check?
No?
Ha?
You should just wait in the car and then pwede mo na siya pag pinapasok na siya.
Sa likod ka, sa likod ka nag-enter?
Yup.
Ha? Sa likod?
Yup.
Pinapapasok siya.
Yes.
Pero meron ano bang style nun? Meron bang nag-guide sa kanya o
Wala. Siguro sinutosan siya tapos.
hindi, yung the first time na nagpunta kayo, anong nangyari?
Wala.
Ihatid mo lang sa pinto, dun sa may, di ba may exit siya from the mall? Hindi dun sa pinaka-loob ng Southland Mall.
May parties ka. Mga kabayan. Wow, magkakaroon na naman ito ng ano. Pag ganyan, magkakaroon ka na naman ng snow dogs. Sun dog pala. I don't think we should pass this way, no? Should we? Is this shoveled already? Yeah. Let's try this. No? Testing ang winter tire ko.
Anong oras kayo mag-ano?
Nasa ito na. Should just be an hour and a half. It's not AAA titled movie.
Ano? Triple A?
AAA.
Ano ba yung Triple A?
Yung anticipated movie, parang it's just a movie. It's not. It's a normal movie. Not. Hindi katulad ng.
It's not a blockbuster movie.
Exactly. Hindi siya katulad ng Lord of the Rings o kaya Star Wars.
Minsan nakakasawa na pag matagal na, walang break time.
Yeah, meron nga Jupiter Ascending. Tsaka yung
So I guess he should be weeping and saying not in my name, whether he's badly drawn or not. And today there are reports from Paris about
I'm gonna eat in my
shop
room.
owner who wrote
Go to
some
home.
discovery on a
Why?
passport outside his business. And so as often as we hear the vaunted fear about potential
Pero 12 na ako
retaliation
pumunta.
against mosques and so on, the real danger
Tamad
is
ako.
our main attacks on Jewish sites and on some poor
Tumawag
restaurant
na
owner
kasi
like
ate
this,
ko.
who's
About
trying
what?
to act in solidarity.
How are they?
tingnan ko. Sa Xbox ko na kung sila. Email ko yung lalo.
But you don't get it. Doesn't really matter.